Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey yo, Skilla.
Alright everybody, you don't know who this is already. And this Skilla again, you see it. Me I get to understand, so the police them have to take cover in a Manchester Spalding this morning when time them pull over a bus driver and I take one vehicle and somehow them end up shoot the man. Please, just take a look on the clip before me say anything else. Observe.
You might take picture too, you know? Big old man, but I love bikini. You know crying woman. You don't know bikini. You say it's not easy, man. Oh, drive now, bus fight. The man turn around, man, turn about down here. You talking? Watch him. Chat. I sit down sharp, I sit down in our bus. Them around with this man they are too long, I get too much trouble.
You see it? Alright. So that happened. So what really and truly take place now is that after all of that happened, you see what I say? Them shoot the man, you know, them that try to take a bus from him and so forth. Yeah, we know. We understand said there's a part of it where the police them have said that the man assault the officer. You see what I say? Yeah, well, you know, me can't tell a person say them must go against the law. You know, that's the law. The law is the law. You can't go against the law. But surprisingly, what really surprised me is that the police them at the end of the day have to take cover because the people them are Spalding, you know what I mean, in the community never like what really happened to the bus driver. People start stone all the police them, you know what I mean, fling stone off of them vehicle, all the windscreen leak out and all these things, you know. I mean, that bus driver must be well loved for these people for go all of them way out of them way and do all these things. You get me? Surprised me, yo. You see me? Really surprised me. And wow. You know, trust me. I wouldn't even say surprised, like it shocked me. Alright? Well anyways, the man who got shot, he go through surgery, quick emergency surgery, and him in a stable condition right now. Him alright and everything good. You know what I mean, as far as to my knowledge and my sources, you understand me? But Jano, this it must be rough, you know. Me get to understand say even the business place them lock for the rest of the day because of how the thing will go on, all these things will happen. Anyways, just let me know what you think about the whole situation. You get what I'm saying? You know, on go up, you know, can learn something from this. Is what I say. Leave your comment, but please keep it as clean as possible. You know, we're trying to keep it as family friendly as possible. You know what I mean? And if you're new to my channel, you know, you have to click the subscribe button if you want to know more what I go on. You know what I say? If you need to contact me, the contact info is below on the subscription. You know it is, right? My name is Skilla, and that was Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch?